Hi. Sometime back I had posted a video where I had talked about those employees who are denied their F&F or it's being delayed. Now I received a lot of calls and messages from some employees who are undergoing that process, whose F&F has been delayed or is being denied, and therefore I thought that let me have a direct word with the employers listening to this. Here is my message to you, that by delaying or denying the F&F of your employee, you are taking a legal risk, but I'm sure you are aware of the legal risks and you will protect yourself against that. But the fact is that beyond the legal risk, you are also taking a big risk with your brand image and the very existence of your business. Let me tell you this. An employee who has worked, the minimum that he expects is to be paid for the work. This is the law, and this is also the morality, and this is also business ethics. Now, if you don't do that, the employee may not be able to go to the law because he may not have the money or the patience or the bandwidth to be able to sustain that long process. My advice, request, suggestion, or a warning to you is that please settle it. Now, if the employee has some issues because of which you are delaying with this process, please put those issues on a piece of paper and reach an amicable settlement with the employee. It is extremely important that both of you should be agreeing with this. Because if you don't, and if any employee approaches me, and this goes to the employees who are listening to this, if any employee approaches me, I will scrutinize the facts. I will be fair to both the sides. And based on that, if I find that the employee is being put to a disadvantage, and if I may use the word, the employer is bullying the employee, then my request is that I'll not go to the law. I'll not file a legal case against you. But I will ascertain the facts. I will convince myself based on my 40 years of experience as an employee as well as an employer. And I'll be constrained to approach your customers, your vendors, your suppliers, and your employees. Not with an intention of defaming you. I have absolutely no intention of doing that, and I'll make sure that I don't do that. All I'll do is that I'll put the facts before all these stakeholders. That's your employees, your customers, your vendors, your suppliers. And tell them that this is how this company is behaving, and therefore you might want to exercise caution while dealing with them. You might find this extreme, but please remember, my motivation is not to make you into a difficult situation. Not at all. My complete and the only motivation is that I would like the employee to be paid what is due, fair, and payable to him, and in time. If that doesn't happen, we will not be creating a good congenial work atmosphere, and because of that, we will not be creating good businesses. So look at it the way you want, but please pay them. And if you don't, and if they approach me, I will scrutinize the facts, and if I find that they are at a disadvantage, I'll be very happy to do what I just mentioned. Thank you very much, and I look forward to your support, both the employees as well as the employers.